Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up automated response on Facebook Messenger. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open your Facebook account, and what you have to do is switch to your actual Facebook page. Alright, so over here you can see that I have switched to my Facebook page. So on the left hand side you can see the option for Meta Business Suite. Click over here, and here you can see you have the option for inbox. So click on that inbox option and click on done. All right, so on the left hand side you can see the option for inbox. Click over here and you'll be redirected to a page like this. So you can see there are various options. Among them, here you can see the option for automations. Click on this automations, and here we have been suggested some automation. So it's just a bunch of if else. So let's create an automation. On the right hand side you can see the option for create automation. Click over there, and here you can see you can give the instant reply. So let's click on this option and click on edit automation, and over here you can choose on which channel do you want to send this message as well. So let's click on both Messenger and Instagram. So when a person visits your page and they send the message, it will automatically reply instantly with this automation. So here you can see the demo of what the user will see. So you can even make some changes over here by clicking on this message, and you can add some sentences or you can make some edits as you like. So here you can see we have the option for personalize your message. So you can even add the full name of recipients. You can give the Facebook page link, or you can even give out address. So let's click on option for address and click on add. You can even add email address. So here you can see our message has been edited. So after you have done that, you can just click on save changes, and here you can see our automation has been successfully saved. So we have turned on this automation. So now when the user messages your Facebook page, they will get an instant reply. So that is how you'll be able to set up automated response on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.